Sobeys' scaly new plastic bottle needed a big introduction to the South by Southwest film geek and tech nerd scene. But how best to capture the attention of such a hip, easily distracted crowd? Between talks, parties, and updating blogs, the audience had little to no time for interacting with a brand. Taking cues from the new graphics wrapping the bottle, we developed a campaign based on tattoos and self-branding. We called it Reskin Yourself. People take pictures of themselves and apply digital tattoos. We created 2 computer kiosks at South by Southwest and let users go to town with a library of kooky tats. A new technology, created in-house, allowed the tattoos to automatically contour to the body part on which they were placed. Redness was also adjustable for the freshest-looking tats possible. Pranks ensued. Finished photos could then be shared via Twitter and emailed to jealous friends. The Sobeys tent was mobbed for 6 days by people hoping to get tatted up for an afternoon. Each reskinning spread the word about Sobeys across buzzy social media channels. Many users returned the next day with more friends. Sobeys ruled the conversation at South by Southwest. Never underestimate the power of a well-placed digital tattoo.